You know that gut feeling you get, or those voices you hear in your head when you're trying to make a decision? I mean, it can be so tough to figure out what the heck is going on. Between fear, anxiety, trying to listen to your intuition, whose side are these voices and this gut really on anyway?
Who are you working for? Talk to me! Look at me in the eyes. Look at me in the eyes! Okay, go.
In this video, I'm gonna help you get really clear on figuring out how to make a decision despite the fear, the anxiety, and the potentially confusing direction of your intuition. Hey guys, I'm Sasha, and this is Unleash Your Warrior, where I share tools and strategies to help you live a healthier and happier life. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Make sure you ring the little bell so you get notifications when I put out new videos every Wednesday. All right, let's talk about fear and anxiety versus intuition, how to tell the difference and how to make a decision despite what might be going on with your gut or those voices in your head. So here's the real scoop. It is always gonna feel like a jumbled mess. We might fear doing the thing that we know will bring us more happiness and joy, and we also might fear the thing that fills us with dread and contempt and just makes us feel entrapped. So how do you sort through all of this stuff and make a decision that best aligns with your values and what the heck it is you really want? I'm gonna get into that, but let me tell you a quick story. So when I wanted to quit my job, and if you've watched any of my other YouTube videos, I've talked about that and how freaking stressful it was. I literally thought about it for a full year, 12 plus months, wanted to quit my job. And the feeling that I had for a majority of those 12 months was this fear inside that was like, oh, you can't do it. You don't have enough money saved up. It's not the right time. You don't really know what you want to do yet. But I also had the fear of staying in that same job or working for anyone, that 8 to 5 corporate life, working for people that I didn't trust, I didn't like. I just knew like, this wasn't for me. This never has been for me. So I had a lot of kind of conflicting fear and conflicting messages that were being sent to my brain. But when I did this one thing, this thing I'm gonna share with you, that's when everything changed. So here's what you do. Think about your point Z. Now that might be 2 different options, or that just might be one vision for your life. Think about your point Z. I'm talking about like point A to Z. Forget about how to get to Z or what you need to do to get to Z. Just picture that Z in your mind and ask yourself these 3 questions. What is your ideal state? How does it feel to be there? Why is this important to you? When you ask yourself these 3 questions, whether you're considering 2 different Zs or 1 Z, I want you to pay attention to how you feel. I actually heard this in one of the videos from Marie Forleo, who I look up to. She's incredible. Like, wipe off some lip sweat there and brow sweat. And what she talked about and what really resonated with me as I look back at the decision I made was I was sitting there thinking about what my life could be like if I kept this job for 1 more month, 1 more year, 10 more years. I literally started to kind of contract on myself. I was filled with dread. I wasn't breathing regularly. I was like holding my breath, and I was just like, ugh. And yeah, I had fear still about not having financial security or a paycheck coming in, but it was just this tenseness that I knew I couldn't live with. And then I started thinking about, well, what would it be like if I took the other Z? If I worked for myself, if I had my own coaching business, if I went on YouTube and did all the things I wanted to do. And again, I didn't think about how I would get there or what I would do. I just pictured that option, how I would feel, why it was important to me. And it was like I expanded. It was like I sat back, I could breathe, my lungs literally opened up. I don't know that I was like smiling to myself, but I was definitely kind of like, you know, when you gaze all around and you're like, oh yeah, that's what it could be like. And that's what happened to me. And so when it came time then for me to make the decision That's what I tapped into. Yes, there was fear. Yes, there was anxiety, but there was also that intuition, that opening up, that sitting taller, that feeling like, you know what, this is going to expand who I am, not contract who I am. And so that's what I recommend for you guys. Go back to those 3 questions. Think about it really, really deeply when it comes to making your big decision. Is it quitting your job? Is it getting out of a relationship? Is it getting into a relationship? Is it learning how to skydive? Whatever it is, does it contract you or does it open you up? All right, that is it for me in this video. I need to go take my 3rd shower of the day. I wish I was kidding, but I'm not. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe, leave me a comment below. If you have any questions about working with me as a coach or anything at all, feel free to email me. That's it for now, guys. See you next time.